My name is Richard Harrison, and I founded Neighborhood Innovations, the developer of LandMentor. For nearly 20 years, we have been working on a new form of software and training to change the way land development is created. The methods that are taught in LandMentor have a demonstrated average reduction of infrastructure of 25% compared to conventional development. What this means is there's a lot more green space, a lot less economic and environmental impact. LandMentor is unique that it merges engineering, surveying, planning, and architecture into one holistic solution. LandMentor is also unique in the way that its goal has always been to bring interactive 3D to something that is not only usable but very quick and easy, so that 3D could be the normal communication tool. Interactive, so you're not looking at a static picture and go, oh, isn't that wonderful, that you can go in real time around the development, in homes, look out windows as if playing a video game, because essentially it is a video game. And the big thing is, all you have to do is plug and play VR headsets for an immersive experience. And then you're projected into the site and you will feel the site as if being there. Well, we previously had been selling LandMentor from between $4,995 and $50,000 a seat. We're bringing that to you at absolutely no cost. The entire system, the education, the technology, because we want to change the world. When you think about it, with all this technology, what's changed? The billions and billions of dollars annually that cities spend on their GIS and mapping systems. And yet, the physical development pattern of this world not only has not changed, but many people would argue has gotten worse. We can change this world to be more attractive, more functional, have better pedestrian and vehicular connectivity, merge architecture with planning so that when you're in a home you actually have a view, create sites with far less earthwork, and create safer neighborhoods. And the most important, in today's environment, where construction costs is escalating at an astounding rate, and interest rates on top of that are going up to make housing ever less attainable, the technology and the solutions that we teach within the system can be applied without economic barriers. This entire system, including updates and upgrades till the end of 2023, is available at no extra cost, but you have to have the commitment to take a week or two out of your time to go through the included textbooks and trainings to learn the system. And from that point on, no matter how you're connected to the land development industry, your career will change for the rest of your life for the better. While the technology might go eventually to a low-cost subscription model after 2023, the education that's included is a tremendous value that will last you the rest of your career. If you're a land developer, you're going to understand a lot more about the engineering and surveying. You're going to be able to ask questions of your consultant that you wouldn't have thought before to ask. This system is absolutely the best for land surveying on the market. It's positional coordinate geometry, it's entirely new technology, it will help reduce litigation. It's a surface-based system, meaning that you don't have to contend with the hundreds or thousands of CAD layers to separate things. We live in a world of surfaces, not of lines and arcs. Its intelligence replicates the real world that we live in. And with those surfaces, you can get instant economic and environmental impacts on what you're creating. There are no land planning systems on the market. There are subdividing systems. This is the first true land planning software. There are no systems previously that integrate interior architectural spaces and exterior spaces, bringing a higher level of design to significantly increase the value and livability in the housing products that we build and sell. The vehicular systems that we teach are not only more attractive, but they will significantly reduce time and energy. And we would argue the pedestrian systems that we teach that have been built create better pedestrian connectivity in a much more attractive and safer manner. For cities adopting LandMentor, as a developer comes in and submits a proposal, cities will be able to analyze and give feedback as to any waste in the development, where it is, and how exactly it's going to impact the developer's bottom line, because if there's 25-30% waste of the infrastructure, that becomes the city's liability and the city's problem. The developer then has a choice: continue submitting this wasteful plan or going back to the consultant and say, look, there's $2.7 million extra infrastructure I have to pay for. I want you to come up with a better design. And if we can do that at initial submittal stages, there's time to go back and make these changes. Imagine the world built with 25% less infrastructure and the exact same density, using the exact same city minimums. The technology and the training that we provide can deliver those results, and all it takes is a commitment by the developers, the consultants, and the cities that will be using LandMentor to change the future of the world's growth.
We want to help you improve the living standards for the future generations that will live, work, and play in the neighborhoods you are building, designing, or regulating.